right. Again, this one showed up USP. Oh, that. I'm not gonna lie, that looks good. The Secrets Trilogy box set with .com secrets, traffic secrets, expert secrets, and Unlock the Secrets, the brand new book that Russell Brunson just released. Today is the day. Let's go check this out. And if you're wondering right now why I'm carrying this pair of scissors down the stairs, it's because today is the day. We got these. This is Traffic Secrets. And this is the box set. Oh my God. We are going to do this. Are you guys ready? There it goes. Stick that over there. And this over here, not very great lighting. I need a tripod. This is not gonna work. Hold on. Oh yeah, here we go. Well, we're gonna get this. It is on. Okay, what we're gonna do here is we're totally gonna bust into this one. This is Traffic Secrets alone. I thought this was coming UPS. In fact, it says UPS on it. And it turns out that it was in my mailbox. So, dude, we're gonna make this happen. I've been waiting. I'm so excited for this. Whoa, it's like Christmas. It just kind of falls apart. Just a little thing there. Oh my God. Hardcover. Like, I feel like I should have washed my hands. I didn't wash my hands before using this. Green cover. I did not know that was coming. Oh, this is nice, guys. This is like it just kind of falls open. This is the bomb. I like this. I like this. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so we'll get back to that. Plenty of books to come. Check this out. Lift letter. I'm pretty sure that's a lift letter. A quick start guide, because who doesn't know how to open their book? And then on the back, some success journey advice. They're gonna tell you what you can do next on your journey to success in online marketing. So I'm seeing onefunnelaway.com, marketingsecrets.com, clickfunnels.com, so you can get your 14-day trial, funnel scripts, funnelscripts.com. I'll leave the links down in the description for all of these. Let's go on to the box. Who wants to see the box set? All right, this is it, guys. The box set. You guys ready for this? We're gonna try to do this without cutting myself open. Into the first time. All right. Oh, that. I'm not gonna lie, that looks good. This thing's heavy, man. This is bulky. Like, this thing is truly heavy. This is nice. I still feel like I should wash my hands. Wish you guys could see this. Feel it. Just get it in your hands. It's like a matte, glossy feeling. Like, it's just plastic. What am I talking about? I haven't even opened it up yet. I want to scratch the inside because it's so amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that's that beautiful. Just look at this. The Secrets Trilogy. Man, this is so beautiful. On the back side. This is not, I'm not reviewing each of the books or anything in here, but you can see it did come with .com secrets, expert secrets, traffic secrets, and the new Unlock the Secrets books. Oh my God, they've got bookmarks. This has a bookmark in it, guys. That's so cool. Look at that. I hope all the other ones do. Do these? No, but they should. This one was redone, rewritten, and this one was rewritten. Who doesn't want the second revised version of any book that's like, you know, they updated it for the times? I haven't had a chance to go through and figure out what exactly has been updated in here yet. But I've got, I did get a copy on the Amazon Kindle store, whatever it was. They were giving it out for like 99 cents. .com secrets, link in the description for all of these books and for the box set. This one's what's going to help you understand internet marketing and funnels, funnel types. There's even scripts in here for the different types of funnels, different types of scenarios in which you might be in. Expert secrets. The book, which I did have a chance kind of to poke through here. I love this, how they put the colors on here on the covers. Just looking through real quick, it looks like they've maybe added a few doodles and a few frameworks. They started teaching about this on the cruise, the 2 Comma Club cruise, which was last year. But they started adding that buzzword frameworks into pretty much everything. So, dude, maybe they have more closes, because who doesn't want more closing techniques, right? Traffic secrets, of course, which we kind of already covered. If you guys already saw my review on this, it was like it was a preliminary copy. Link up here. Maybe it's over there, wherever it feels like showing up. This, and actually all three of these books, do make reference to pages inside Unlock the Secrets. So this is a workbook. Basically, it's a workbook. A lot of like, hey, fill this out. So that's that. So that's it. That's the box set. Look at that. All right, so that's the box set trilogy right there. You can't see Expert Secrets, but it's down there. So if you guys want to get this, click on the link down in the description. Go get yourself a copy of this. It is worth every freaking cent. Like, I'm gonna go through Expert Secrets page by page and redo one of my perfect webinars. How to put their knowledge, what's in their head, what they're passionate about, how to put that, how to digitize that into a product and sell it to their niche market. So the link's down in the description. If you want to see the review video, again, I'll put a link up in one of these corners to the review video for Traffic Secrets, which just launched on May 5th. So you guys have a great day. I will see you guys in another video, and we're gonna make this happen. All right, take it easy.